Welcome to Plumpton College. Congratulations on being offered a place with us. This is a guide to support you through our enrolment process. It is important you complete your enrolment as soon as possible, and this guide will take you through each stage.
You will then need to complete your enrolment in one go, so please have copies of your documents uploaded in advance. This is your ID, headshot, photo and earnings evidence if you are over 19. It will take about 6 minutes to complete. Check the course information on the screen is correct and click Next. Now we will start to complete your enrolment details. There are 4 sections. Section 1. Enter your details in the boxes. Known as name is a name that you will use for college communications and registers. Ensure you enter your correct year of birth. If you are 19 or over, please fill in your national insurance number. Select the nationality from the drop-down options. If you have not lived in the UK in the last 3 years, complete the date of entry and the country you arrived from. Criminal convictions, click yes or no. Complete the contacts section with the details of 2 people. Contact 1 will be included on college communications for anyone aged under 19. Learner support, click yes or no. If you click yes, please fill the additional boxes. Vehicle details only complete if you will be parking your vehicle at college. If you miss any information in the field, the form will show an error message. As you can see on the screen, complete the required fields and then it will allow you to move to the next page. Section 2. Your highest level of qualification in the drop-down box. Refer to the table below for more information. Now it is time to upload your documents. Please upload your proof of ID such as your birth certificate or driver's license. To upload them, select Type of Evidence from the drop-down list, Browse, to select File and click the green Upload button. The form may take you to the top of the page. Just scroll down and check the summary box to see what documents you have uploaded. If you are over 19, please also attach your evidence of earnings or benefits. Now you need to upload your photo. This must be a clear head and shoulders photo, as it will be used for your student ID card. Section 3. Employment. Select employment status and complete sections A or B as applicable. We are on to the final section for terms. Carefully read through the confirmation and privacy statements and tick the box to select your contact preference. Complete your enrolment by ticking the confirmation declaration and electronically sign. Then click Next. You will receive an email confirming we have received your enrolment. The team will process your enrolment and contact if we require further information. Once your enrolment is processed, you will receive a secondary confirmation email and ensure that you check your spam folder. This can take several days due to the high volumes. If you have any queries, please contact us.